Hey, my name's John Hawkins with Miller Industries, and this is going to be a follow-up short video that Billy and Jeremy did the other last week on the DP winch. Right now we're going to have the DP 50 right here, and we're going to actually show you a few little tricks of the trade on how to get the oil out and drained properly. Not always is the winch accessed real easy. So one thing, do not go down to the hardware store and get a regular pipe fitting. It will not fit into the hydraulics. What we're doing here is we're just taking a simple pass-through JIC fitting. We're going to install this in place of the plug. We're going to put this cap on it so when we open it, the plug, and insert this into the location, we're not going to create that big of a mess because the cap's on it. And once we get it into place, we're going to remove the cap, and we're going to install this nice little 1/2 inch ID plastic hose, place it on there, and let it drain into the bucket. So 5/16 Allen, and I like using this articulating wrench so that we can properly get in there around the hoses in the existing fittings. It's not always that you're going to be able to get straight out of 90. So take this articulated wrench and use it into the 5/16, and we're going to loosen up the cap. And with the cap loose, we're going to be ready, sit there, and to install the JIC 8 fitting directly into there. We've got the cap on the end of the fitting to try to minimize the oil. See real quick, a little bit of spill, got the rag underneath there to catch it all. Simply tighten it up. Now just have your 1/2 inch hose or whatever size is going to fit into your JI6 or JI8, and this is an 8 on this particular fitting. We're going to take the cap off now and have the hose ready. Insert it directly into there. And now it's going to drain down into the bucket below us. Now, as they also talk to you on the 50 and the 60, you do have the drain plug on the inside. And these two fittings are a lot tighter, so getting an actual JIC in there is going to be impossible. Also, your adjustable wrench. So you're going to have a straight 90-degree Allen. You want to insert the Allen in, loosen up your cap that you see right in here. Once it's loose, take your nut out, and then sit there and take your cap and your little funnel like this, and be able to come up underneath with that and catch it right into the funnel and let it drain again into your bucket. So this is just two quick ways in changing that oil on the timeline that they talked about. Also make sure that you have your manual available so you can reference the details that they talked about in the video with what type of oil to put back in either the 25 or the 35 or the 50 and the 60. Thanks for watching. Make sure you subscribe to our news feed to get all the latest tips and tricks from Miller Industries.